Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Swicky, where we try to make AI exciting, accessible, and fun for everyone. So today we are going to attempt to clone my voice and make a episode of a podcast. We are going to, so let's go on this journey. So we are going to use, Descript has a new feature called AI Voices, and you can create high quality audio just by typing, generate your own voice clone, or choose from stock AI voices to fix audio mistakes, generate podcast intros, video voiceovers, and more. If anyone doesn't know, Descript is a really awesome editing platform that makes it easy to record and edit and do things such as that. So they now have this text-to-speech. Overdub is where we can switch out a word and then we can regenerate a word that maybe we didn't hit correctly or want to pronounce a little bit better. So it's an interesting feature. So I got the script open here. So let's get into this a little bit. So here's my workspace. And here are the AI speakers okay, so that is already set up. So let's make a new one. John Cold. I don't know why. Let's go. I'm cold. So let's write John Cold. Okay, so this is how we're going to end up training. So you basically read this prompt and then, or you can upload a file, but you can read the prompt. You can record it right here. I already did one already beforehand, so we won't go through this, but you just basically read it and then it trains off of this recording. We end up with an AI voice. Let's just do a new project, new audio project. Show test episode. There we go. So let's just ask AI to write a script. Right. Podcast script that covers what are the cover. Oh, wait. That compares Google Bard to, again, Claude. AI is writing, let's apply, add to the script. All right. Now you have to add a speaker. So I'm going to select my previously tested one here. And so kind of Descript's doing its thing. That's where the blinking text comes into play. And it takes a minute, but it's doing its thing here. Oh, wait, let's see if we can see any action on the timeline. Yeah, we just see text right now. All right, while that's working, we can actually go over to the one that I did. So let's play audio from this one here. And I think we got.
Picture yourself in a kitchen, armed with a recipe for a dish you've never made before. That's a bit like approaching neural networks without a primer. But fear not, we've got the perfect blend of ingredients for clarity.
So it's weird. It sounds like me. It's a little robotic. There's not a lot of emotion in the voice.
Thank you
for
joining me on Stack Snap.
And I think it's pretty good, especially in some of the use cases where they were talking about if you just want to re-record a sentence or a couple words. All right, so let's go to our AI scripts, and then let's see if that audio we convert to audio. Wait, oh. All right, let's see what happens when we hit play on this one.
Welcome to a new episode of Tech Talks. In today's episode, we will be comparing two popular artificial intelligence writing tools, Google Bard and Claude. Let's start with Google Bard. This AI-powered tool developed by Google.
It's crazy too. You can hear like in some of these you can hear like me taking a breath and taking a pause. So it's still blowing my mind a little bit how I think it's good. I think it's really good. That's a quick tour of the Descript AI features. You can see with not a lot of effort, you can get a copy of your voice and it can do a job for you. If we go, let's see. So before we wrap up, if we head on over to the pricing plans to use this feature, they limit to 1,000 words on the free plan, and then you have to upgrade to the pro plan to get unlimited words. Definitely interesting. I did this on the free plan, and we just did an upgrade just to give this a proper demo. But definitely interesting using the only the 1,000 word vocabulary. But it's cool. I think maybe we'll end up trying to post an episode or something of just AI driven audio like this, and just to see what happens and test the waters a little bit more. But all right, thanks everybody for checking it out with us tonight and taking a little trip with us. And if anybody makes anything cool with this feature, let us know. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Thanks everyone.